Hi everyone, today in this video I will explain pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. Pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. It is the acid catalyzed rearrangement in which vicinal 1,2-diol is converted to ketone or aldehyde by elimination of water is called pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. It is pinacol and it is pinacalone. That is vicinal 1,2-diol. It is pinacalone. It is ketone. Let us see the reaction mechanism of pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. It is pinacol. In this, one OH will be protonated and then it will form OH2 plus because hydrogen H plus is attached to one oxygen. So, one bond will be formed between oxygen and hydrogen, and oxygen will get positive charge. It is unstable. So, it get electrons from this bond and then H2O will be removed. Then the carbon get positive charge. It is a carbocation. It is an intermediate. And then to compensate this positive charge, among these two methyl groups, one methyl group is transmigrated to this carbon. Then another positive charge will be appear on this carbon. To compensate this positive charge, the OH bond will break and the electrons are migrated to this carbon. Then it will form C double bond O bond. It is pinacalone. This is the reaction mechanism of pinacol-pinacalone rearrangement. Here the groups attached to these carbons are same. So here there is no problem in OH protonation and transmigration of this group. But when different groups are attached to these two carbons, we can get a doubt which OH will be protonated. Let us remember that the OH is removed at the carbon at which a stable carbocation will be formed. Let us see the stability order of carbocations. Here the carbocation having more number of phenyl groups is more stable when compared to the carbocation having more number of methyl groups. So here the carbon is having two phenyl groups. If this OH is protonated, it will form a stable carbocation. So this OH is protonated. So H2O plus is formed. It is unstable. So by breaking this bond, H2O molecule is removed. Then it will form a stable carbocation. Then to compensate this positive charge, one of these group is transmigrated to this carbocation. Which group will be migrate? Let us see the migratory aptitude of these groups. Hydrogen has high migratory aptitude than methyl group. So hydrogen is migrated towards this carbocation, this carbon. Then this carbon will get positive charge. To compensate this positive charge, OH bond will break and proton is released. Then here pi bond is formed. It is the ketone. It is the final product. And next, here in this compound, the groups attached to these two carbons are same. So here there is no problem for protonation of OH. So one of this OH is protonated and it will form OH2 plus. It will be removed by bond breaking as H2O molecule and then it will form a stable carbocation. Here we can see the phenyl group has high migratory aptitude when compared to methyl group. So it is transmigrated towards this carbon and then here we can observe the positive charge. To compensate this positive charge, OH bond will break and proton will be released and then here pi bond will be formed. So it is the final product. And next, in this compound, these two carbons have different groups. Here this carbon has phenyl groups. So this OH will be protonated. Then it will form a stable carbocation by this protonation of OH group. Here OH2 plus is formed. Then by breaking this bond, H2O molecule is released. Then here a stable carbocation is formed, and among these two groups, one methyl group is transmigrated towards this carbocation, and then here positive charge will be formed, and then to compensate this positive charge, this bond will break and proton is released, and then here by breaking this bond, double bond is formed, and this ketone is the final product. Let us see the questions on pinacol-pinaclone rearrangement. The first question in this, one OH, here same groups are attached to these carbons, so one OH is protonated and then it is removed as water molecule and carbocation is formed. Here one of this bond is migrated to this carbon, so here plus charge will be appear. To compensate this positive charge, OH bond will break and then keto group is formed. So it is the final product. And next, in this compound also same groups are attached to these carbons. One of OH will be protonated and then this OH2 group is removed as water molecule, and then we can get carbocation intermediate. And then let us see the migratory aptitude of the groups. Here the migratory aptitude of methyl group is less when compared to this CH2. So this CH2 group will migrate it towards this carbon. So it will be found. Here positive charge will appear. To compensate this positive charge, OH bond will rupture and then ketone is formed. This is the final product. And next example. Let us see here. The carbons have different groups. One OH is protonated here. So it will form stable carbocation because the carbon having two phenyl groups. So here one water molecule is removed. So this is the stable carbocation, and then H2 bond will migrate it to this carbon, and then by removing this bond, here on the carbon positive charge will appear. To compensate this positive charge, OH bond will rupture and then we get finally ketone. Here in these questions we can observe ring expansion and ring contractions. In first question, here ring expansion is observed. 5-membered ring is formed as 6-membered ring, and in this question 6-membered ring will be contracted to 5-membered ring, and in this question 5-membered ring is expanded to 6-membered ring. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.